Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manal Luciani, student ID 6325159. I will deliver a speech entitled Case or Habit that Damage the Environment. We can no longer deny in this era of modernization that all activities carried out by humans are highly dependent on the availability of energy derived from nature. Therefore, damage the environment is equivalent to cause harm to ourselves first. The impact of environmental damage occurring today has been felt by youth and in fact and to experience it together. As we all know, some areas in Indonesia have low rainfall, causing drought. Meanwhile, other areas in Indonesia have its rainfall, shortfall are as recently happening in the capital Jakarta. The fall completely submerged the city where the Monas Mount is located. The student polls that apparently are not a form of entertainment for the people. How how could it be entertained? The income water is accompanied by and cause people to be affected moody, foodless, and craze for type of garbage. The rules in the places of activities of the capital listen damage to national infrastructure and cause people to be affected by various diseases. As Nusantara proceeds its Komodo Ice in account also has a million environment problems. The regulations in Flores and Sumba have marginalized meaning how they are touted to be able to increase regional original revenue. However, upon close examination, the agriculture and livestock sectors carried out by the indigenous people actually become the locomotive of regional original revenue. And that should be out from community productivity instead thrown into meaning house. With her we realize it or not, we are contributors to most of the environmental damage that can cause global warming. If left unchecked, one day our Earth will be submerged due to the global warming that is happening now. We need to understand the fall from piglets. Besides disturbing human health, can also increase global warming for the air pollution in products. In addition, the number of mortally is continue to increase year by year. In 2012, according to BPS data, the number of two-wheeled Wesley Usher 7638183 unit it as Nusa Tenggara. How long can our lungs withstand the amount of pollution produced by the fleet flows currently in use? The problem of piglets have not been resolved, and the proliferation of ski trips with glass-blooding concepts has also come to demand the effects of Kupang City. If this if this continues, the global warming is clearly an achievement that this kit will have market. According to BPS data, the reforestation accuracy currently by the Nusa Tenggara Timur Provincial Government reaching 3900 hectares in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Manda Lutfiani. NIM 6325159A. In this short presentation, in talk about indirect consent and how we use them in daily conversation. So let's dive in. What are indirect consent? An indirect consent is a form of statement that confess someone else's consent that has been experienced direct. Be consider the format of the speech so that it becomes clear, more natural, and more efficient of the listener. Because it is report speak, this type of question does not use a question mark the end of the sentence. Explanation of conversion. Direct, where is the library? Indirect, can you tell me where the library is? Not the and indirect does not use inversion and sound more polite. Question of indirect question. The main function of an indirect question is to convey a question more polite, suitability, and formal. In addition, indirect question allow the placement of a question in complex tense such as report of official letter and help to build better interpersonal relationship. Type of indirect question: yes or no. Indirect question use the conjunction if or whether to convey question that can be answered with yes or no. WH indirect question use question word what, where, when, where, who, how to ask for speak information. Main the phrase yes or no does not request and question word. First, WH always use the original question word in structure. Indirect question formula. General better introductory phrase plus if or better of question word plus subject verb positive form. Component and pattern experience. Introductory phrase. Can you tell me? You wonder. Do you know? Can you explain? Yes or no, Peter, if or with her. WH Peter and question word no. Inversion subject before verb. The reversion between yes or no and WH indirect question. Yes or no indirect question use the conjunction if or whether to convey words answer are yes or no. WH indirect question use the original question word what, where, when, where, who, how. For question the request speak information. Tense structure and tense can in indirect question. There is not inverse of subject and phrase word order. Subject before the main verb, then follow the main clause. In the main clause is in the past tense. Back shifting occurs. Where is she? Her asked where she was. Example of an indirect question. Example of yes or no indirect question. Direct, do you like tea? Indirect, call you tell me if you like tea. Direct, where is the station? Indirect, in whether where the station is. Common mistake in indirect question. Informant error use the direct question word order in indirect sense. Wrong. I wait to know if are you ready. Correct. You wait to know if you are ready. The error back shifting not adjust the tense according to the main clause. Wrong. question was consolidation of indirect question material and indirect questions and indirect interrogative stances. The is more polite and formal, unlike a direct question which use inversion. There are two main types, yes or no, using if or with her, and WA question use question word with the Peter introductory phrase plus concreter plus subject plus verb. Common mistake to avoid include use inversion, causing the wrong connector and incorrect tense. I think. Thank you for your attention and participation in studying the indirect question material. Keep practicing using indirect question in daily company to improve your English skills. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Audio Jungle.